Alright, so nothing super crazy was going on here. I was just taking a break, or to go home for a second, and just enjoying AAU's campus, all the great spring weather, and just strolling along, man. And then I started walking to lunch to go meet Jorge, and we're going to go ahead and talk to him in just a minute. Woohoo!
Jorge, tell us what it's like to be fit, but also only be able to lift tiny 2-pound dumbbells. How has that worked for you?
Yeah, well, I just really feel that I don't want to get too bulky, you know? Like, I really hate it when guys have muscles on them, so...
Same.
I really focus my training on doing about 5,000 reps with 2-pound dumbbells. It takes 5 hours of the day, but it gives you pretty great tone. So it's all about the tone, if you know what I mean.
Lame.